Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing cloud and data center operations. By analyzing vast datasets, AI forecasts trends and patterns, empowering businesses to make informed decisions. AI-driven business intelligence processes real-time market data for instant insights. AI-powered predictive maintenance anticipates equipment failures, reducing downtime and boosting efficiency. Dynamic workload management optimizes resource allocation, ensuring data centers handle increased demands while cutting costs, transforming operational strategies. AI enhances cybersecurity by detecting threats in real time, safeguarding data and applications. Automating routine tasks, AI frees human resources for higher-value activities, significantly improving data center efficiency and reducing operational costs. AI's integration poses challenges, such as infrastructure upgrades and cybersecurity concerns. However, it accelerates time to market for new applications, optimizing resource allocation and offering a competitive edge in the evolving tech landscape. AI raises ethical concerns like bias and transparency, necessitating responsible development. It also drives emerging technologies like quantum computing, reshaping the cloud and data center landscape, heralding a new era of innovation. AI is here to stay, transforming cloud and data center industries, driving efficiency, reducing costs, and fostering innovation.